Buhay, mabuting tao, magandang buhay! Welcome to my vlog. I'm your vlogger, teacher Bing, retired teacher, Linda Bing, Basilio Rindon. Mabuhay, magandang buhay. Presenting to you, my therapist in Davao, na beautiful Leia Fornia.
Yes.
Feel good, yeah. Greet mo yung viewers natin.
Hello po viewers!
Yeah, so...
Magandang umaga, magandang araw, maganda kayo.
Yeah. Maganda raw kayo mga kamabuhayers, kamabuhay. Welcome to our presentation now. And join us as we show to you this massage
portion, massage na legs lang.
Legs, feet, no. This is my favorite part. Yeah, this one when you massage that one. Okay, just give a sample to the audience.
Yes.
How is it that?
Before we start, we do some stretching, warm-up stretching.
Yes.
So you have to push it.
Like that.
Why? What's to you?
What's the purpose? Why pose?
So it will be exercise.
Exercise. So
yes.
2, 3,
Hindi kompleto
4.
ang massage pag walang exercise, walang warm-up, walang stretching. So, kompleto natin kahit ganito lang na simpleng-simple lang in a short period of time, ma-stretch siya.
Wow.
Yan.
So that's the amazing part. Foot massage.
Okay.
Reflexology. Okay, I love that. And it will always start with the lower extremities. Remember that? Okay, so
gamit na po tayo ng oil.
What's the name of the oil?
Aromatherapy.
Aromatherapy. And I love this one.
It's a peppermint.
Yeah, I love this because my nose is really, I'm having recently my rhinitis. You call that allergic, no?
Allergic to the smell.
Smell, yeah. Even perfume, I will immediately have my cupping if...
Have to.
But this one, no. I like this. Okay, so my throat is not irritated.
Okay.
So you
see the, massage. You have to press
the parts
of the feet.
Okay, this is my favorite massage.
Like it's called reflexology, acupressure.
Acupressure.
Yes.
Because our feet is equivalent, there are body parts there. No?
Yeah.
Heart,
start ng
kidney, lungs.
Blood circulation is through the lower bodies.
Yes.
Which is called the foot.
Yeah. So.
Okay.
That's my favorite part.
Dali lang, basta reflex lang ng reflex. Push, rotate, push, circular, pressing.
Yes, I love
it.
A nice one. Okay, so feel good you to
and then
body massage.
Paakyat po ang
pagmasahe.
Pagmasahe.
Yan.
Kulang ng oil, dagdagan lang po, hindi damihan ang oil.
What's the purpose of the oil?
Para madali natin mag-penetrate sa skin, nakakaganda ng skin.
Yes. And it will also
moisturize,
yes.
Kaya yung madalas nagpapamassage ang ganda ng skin nila.
Yes. So, because I'm here in Davao, so tuloy-tuloy na ito. Ito na may complete response.
Health is wealth.
Health is wealth, correct. And I would just like to correct the wrong notion, wrong idea, that when you go to the therapist, you are sick. No, not all people going to the therapist is terribly sick. No, do not wait for the time that you're not feeling good, you're feeling bad, that you go to the therapist, but see your therapist. According to my friend Leia, 4 times a month or twice a month, no? For wellness goals. So this is the exercise. From exercise, I see to it that I have my relaxation through massage. So it will also release your tension, correct? Yeah. Your anxiety, depression, or whatever overthinking, like stress. So this is my life in Davao. Your vlogger, teacher Bing, retired teacher, Linda Bing, Basilio Rindon. And let us show first to the audience also sa my another favorite part, second to the foot massage, is the hands.
Hands.
Yeah, the hands. Okay, let us show to the
Very
audience.
simple lang pag nakaupo ang client nyo. Ganyan lang po.
Ganyan lang hanggang dito.
Oh.
We are done already with the body parts kanina na pinahiga talaga ako ni Leah dito with all the uniform. Nag-uniform pa kami. May attire. But since for the purpose of showing this to the viewers video, so I have already my t-shirt by now. No? Mas maganda na you have the ang tawag doon, uniform.
Yeah, the malong.
The malong, okay. Malong.
Sarong.
The sarong, yes.
Is full body
Massage.
na yung client nyo nakahiga.
Okay.
Kailangan i-dip na sila for the
reflexology.
privacy.
Privacy, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so this is it. But before I end my vlog, we'll show muna sa hands
Again?
naman. Hands after this. Oh,
Okay.
yes, thank
So
you.
we'll go for the
Hands.
arms and
This
hands.
already the hands already.
Same
Same style.
style. Let's make it warm up, stretching, like this.
Okay, so warm arm stretching ang tawag dito. And next
Simple lang talaga, hindi yan matagal.
so a minimum of usually your massage will take 1 hour.
Whole body is more than an hour.
But foot massage,
It's like a 5 minutes,
okay, and
another 5 minutes, same with the hands,
hands,
arms, and
so this is my shared video. What are you waiting for? Dito lang, when you enter Katalunan, Pequeño, we are here in Talomo District, Katalunan, Pequeño. When you would like to avail these services of
offer
our
a home service
home service also, but with extra pay.
with the transportation.
Yeah, transportation. As far as what place? Within the
Depend in the par.
Where?
In my place.
As far as what place? In Davao area only?
Davao.
Davao and nearby. Mental, okay.
Buhangin.
Buhangin, Pequeño,
Downtown, Bangkal.
Bangka,
Where you
Batina.
You
Okay.
can get in touch with me.
How about Torel?
Yeah.
Okay. But if other
Just
place,
replace my
transportation.
transportation.
How about someone will hire you from US, from Europe?
I'm available.
Wow! Oh, free transportation, free allowance, food of course, no?
I can handle a patient too.
Yeah.
A
By the way,
stroke patient, I can handle it.
diabetic,
Yes.
cancer, what
Not
else?
cancer.
Not cancer.
Dislocation,
Dislocation.
muscle pain.
Yeah. But I mean, you're also a caregiver, but
Yes.
Leah is not accepting. Are you accepting now? Not no more.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
accept it.
With a good
appointment.
with appointment.
Schedule.
Yeah, I know with a good. What I mean as a caregiver.
Yeah.
For
For the elderly and sick people.
yeah, elderly, sick people, anyone who is disabled. But of course, you have to agree the amount na gusto ni Leah at depends on the agreement.
Yeah.
And ang ano niya priority niya is dapat dalawa sila, no? What I mean is mayroong sa kanya, dalawa sila mag take good care sa patient or sa client.
If ever. But if wala, okay lang.
So, siyempre, you're asking, can we, the minimum price? O, the more, okay lang. So, of course, you can estimate now, caregiving is really a difficult job. So, this is it, a day in the life of the retired teacher. Stress-free, I can do what I want. Unlike when I'm still in the service, I don't have enough time to go to the therapist because it's always a restricted area. Your time is really within your workplace, and you really have time for your exercise, workout exercise, and like this momentum right now. So, this is it now. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao. And again, cell phone number. Yeah,
Yes.
my cell phone number.
You can get in touch with 0965-355-7231.
One more, repeat.
0965-355-7231.
Yeah. Just here, Pag-ibig area, then located in Wellspring 2, Phase 2. And Block
7,
Lot 4, just in front of the basketball court. No, Leah is popular here, my friend. Okay, so for caregiving needs, services, and beautiful you, relaxation, because when you have the massage here, it's not only for bad people, bad relaxation, I mean, or bad condition. People who are undergoing low moments, but it's for everyone. The young, the old, the ones who was young, the teenager. Is it also available to children?
Yeah.
Yeah. How young?
How young? It's depend. There's
From
something a toddler.
Toddler po.
Toddler. They like massage. Toddler is very.
How about
like
balik? Yung they break their legs. You can
and the Thai massage is I'm not much practicing that Thai massage.
Okay. So
I just say massage only for the elderly, for the relaxation.
yeah, relaxation only.
Thai.
Yeah, and
I
refreshing.
don't want to commit some
Oh, yeah. Because
I'm very careful.
correct. You really study this one, yeah.
Yeah, I'm a licensed massage therapist.
Yeah, licensed
DOH
massage therapist.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, have you been in abroad? Wala ka na abroad.
Not yet.
Not yet, but just here in.
I teach also the massage.
Yeah,
I'm a
teaching.
teacher too.
Yeah, teaching
I
teacher
can
of
teach you also how to do some massage with
Yeah.
TESDA.
Yeah. Wait,
TESDA.
you have a certification from TESDA.
Yes.
So, certified, licensed, TESDA certified, my friend Leah. So, come now, come everyone, especially in nearby Davao place or anywhere in the Philippines, anywhere in the whole world. Just shoulder the transportation, the food, the allowance, everything, and of course,
I give my service.
the best service, excellent, diba? So the saying of Ma'am Rendon goes like this: if what you have done is not excellent, you have done nothing. So Leah's performance output is really excellent. So we are doing this because my words of wisdom, Rendonism, is if there's no picture and video, it did not happen. So ano na tayo? Final words to our viewers? Yeah, yun na. Come on na.
Okay. Prevention better than cure.
Wow.
Reminded.
Wow, I love that line.
And God is good all the time.
God is good all the time. Remember,
Watch your
health.
health.
Yeah. Do not wait for the time that you will go down na or your condition. So, prevent it before it cure.
Yes.
Yeah,
Prevention
and
better than cure.
Yeah, God is good all the time. So,
I'm open for some advice.
some advices
I have
also.
advice.
Yeah, and she used to share me advices about wellness and forwarding me those messages. So, if there's no picture or video, it did not happen. So, we have this one documented. Live and alive here in Subdivision, Wellspring 2, Davao City. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao.
City.
Mabuhay, Davao City.
Land of Dorian.
Land of Dorian.
City of Dorian.
City of Dorian, Land of the Eagles,
Yes.
Land of Promise,
Yes.
and our tagline. Together, life is here in Davao. Life is here.
Life is here.
Yeah, life is here in Davao. Yeah, so the chosen, the New Jerusalem of God. Yeah, the chosen New Israel is Davao City. Believe it or not, but you must believe. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao. Your vlogger, teacher being Erlinda being Basilio Rindon, the selfie queen, the Mabuhay queen, and the blogger of the century. Signing off with friend Leah. Leah Fornia signing off. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao. God bless everyone. Long live, good person, good life. Thank you for viewing us. Don't forget my Facebook account, Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindon, and my YouTube, Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindon, with the red gown and the yellow t-shirt. on my Mabuhay page. Follow me also on my reels. Thank you, viewers, followers, my Facebook friends, and everyone for being with us. Mabuhay, mga nabuhay, mabuting tao. Long live God person. Thank you, Mabuhayers. Thank you, Kamabuhay. Until my next vlog. Mabuhay.